Womp, womp, womp.
1050 hertz attention, Dr. Jr.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a Dr. Jr. emergency for the following areas.
Philadelphia County, Esquire, Montgomery County, Junior, Delaware County, Dr. Bucks County, Major, and Chester County, General.
Effective until 3:41 p.m. on August 12, 2030.
At 3:14 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous Dr. Joe was located near Baltimore, moving northwest at 15 miles per Esquire.
This is a Dr. Jr. emergency for the listed areas, you dumbass. This is a particularly dangerous situation, so get your sorriest to safety now, ass.
Has a deadly doctor and baseball size honorable.
Source, radar indicated rotation. You fucking idiot.
You are in a life-threatening situation, you moron. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed, dumbass.
Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible, Reverend. You stupid piece of shit.
To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly Dr. is on the ground to protect your life. Take cover now, General. Asshole!
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. You better fucking listen if you want to live. If in a mobile home or outdoors, move your lazy ass to the closest substantial.
This concludes the activation of the emergency alert, Esquire, dickhead.
Womp, womp, womp.
The topic should appear in the middle of the scene, not at the beginning or end. You fucking imbecile.
Their current location is in Krusty Krab. Now shit Sherlock. Now get your ass to safety before you become a statistic on the news tonight.